Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you can see, is going to be my fall night routine. I kind of just wanted to vlog a night in my life. Honestly, I'm much more of a morning routine person than a night routine person, if that makes sense. My morning routine is like the same every morning. I have like a bunch of different steps that I always do no matter what. But I'm not really a night person, so I kind of just get lazy with my night routine, and every night is a little bit different. Guapo literally being so loud drinking his water. So I thought this could be kind of like a night routine slash self-care night routine. It's a Friday night tonight. I'm a grandma, so I have no plans really. But I just got home from my internship. It's around 5:45 right now. My internship usually ends around 5, but on Fridays I usually get out a little bit early because Fridays are like slower days, so they let me leave a little bit earlier. So depending on what train I catch, I usually get home around like 5:36. I am just going to be vlogging my night, and I want to do like a couple extra self-care steps that I may not do every night, but just to kind of make it a little more interesting. So I am always hungry when I get home, so that's always the first thing I do is make dinner. Let's see what I could make tonight. I think I'm just gonna make some pasta. I have this brown rice pasta. It's from Trader Joe's, but I just keep it in like this container so it looks cuter in my cupboard. But it's just like the brown rice pasta. And then I'm also gonna steam some broccoli and just like put a little lemon juice on it. Do I not have sauce? I thought I had marinara sauce, but I guess not. Okay, never mind not making that brown rice pasta because I thought I had marinara sauce, but I don't, and that pasta without any sauce is like really dry. So I have this fettuccine alfredo. It's frozen from Trader Joe's. I've never tried this before, so we'll see, but I'm gonna probably just make half of it and then still do the broccoli on the side. While that's cooking, I'm going to feed my cat. She eats before I do. Dinner is served. I'm going to head over to the couch and put some YouTube on the TV and just kind of chill and watch that while I eat my dinner. I just finished up with dinner and now I'm gonna go ahead and shower. I've been using these makeup wipes to take my makeup off lately. I know makeup wipes aren't like ideal for your skin because it like pulls at your skin or whatever, but they're just like the easiest. So I got these during the VIB sale and I really like them. They smell so good, and I'm very picky about wipes because I don't like the Neutrogena ones they make my skin feel like greasy afterwards, but these don't do that, and they're supposed to be like soothing as well, so I feel like they're pretty gentle on the skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and like take most of my makeup off with this, and then the rest usually just comes off in the shower. I'm out of the shower now. Just put my Pottery Barn robe on. I've been getting a lot of questions about where this is from, so it's just from Pottery Barn. I'll link it down below. Since it is a self-care night, I'm going to do a face mask. First, going to exfoliate with the Dr. Dennis Gross peel pads. I feel like exfoliating before a face mask just like helps your skin absorb it better. I don't know if that's true, but I just always exfoliate first. So I'm gonna use these first, and then I'm gonna put on the Summer Fridays jet lag mask. This is my favorite mask for hydrating my skin, and it is now like officially winter in New Jersey. It's so cold, so it's dry skin season and my skin is feeling pretty dry, so I'm gonna put this on. like barely see it, but I have the mask on now. I'm just gonna leave this on for like 15 minutes or so. And I think I'm gonna pour myself a glass of rosé because it's Friday night, why not? So I have this really pretty bottle of rosé that I have open already, so I'm just gonna pour myself a glass of this, and then I think I'm just gonna sit on the couch and get a little bit of work done. I am working on some holiday gift guides for you guys. I did these on my Instagram stories last year and I got really good feedback from them, so I definitely wanted to bring them back for this year. I'm gonna start posting those on Black Friday, so make sure you're following me on Instagram so you don't miss those. I'm gonna have a bunch of different gift ideas for all different people, all different price ranges. So if you're needing gift inspo, definitely check out my Instagram, and I will also save them all as highlights. They'll be on there for the whole month of December. Yeah, I haven't even really talked about this, but I'm going to be doing Vlogmas. I've never like successfully done Vlogmas in the past, and I've never really attempted to do daily uploads, but I really want to do it this year. So I'm like really trying to prepare ahead of time. I'm gonna start vlogging before it's actually December 1st. I'm gonna start this week and just be like ahead a few days, so that if I do need to miss a couple days in December because of like finals or anything, then I will be like ahead of schedule. Hopefully I can afford to like miss those days but still upload every single day, if that makes sense. Anyway, so I'm going to leave my mask on, get a little bit of work done on my gift guides, sip my rosé, you know, honestly having a great Friday night. I just rinsed off the face mask, and now I'm just going to do the rest of my normal nighttime skincare routine, which I realized is all Drunk Elephant stuff. Didn't mean for it to be, but I've just been using a lot of their products lately. I love them. They're super expensive, but I honestly think they work so well. Starting with the TLC Glycolic Night Serum. This is just a serum. It's supposed to like reduce fine lines, smooth out your skin tone, all of that good stuff. So I just kind of like pat that into my face. Then I'm gonna go in with the Proteini Polypeptide Cream. I use this morning and night now just because it's my favorite moisturizer. And then the last step is an oil, but I like to let the moisturizer kind of sink in a little bit before I put the oil over. So I usually brush my teeth in between those two steps just so the moisturizer has time to like sink in a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with the Drunk Elephant Marula face oil. This is also really good if you have dry skin. I used to be scared to use oils because I thought they would like break me out, but this doesn't at all, and it makes my skin like so hydrated, and even when I wake up I still feel it on my skin. Like it doesn't just disappear, and I just feel like it makes my skin so glowy. That is pretty much all of my skincare for the night, but I'm also gonna go ahead and use this eyelash serum. I took my lash extensions off, as you guys can probably tell, so when I don't have lash extensions on, I like to use this. It's the Grande Lash Enhancing Serum. People always ask me if like lash extensions ruin your natural lashes, and at first they kind of do. I also take my lash extensions out myself, which you definitely shouldn't do because I'm basically like pulling them out, and like I'm definitely hurting my natural lashes by doing that, but I'm just too lazy to like go get them taken off and like spend money on taking them off when I can just take them off myself. I do notice right after I take them off, like my natural lashes are a little shorter and just like I don't have as many, but they also always grow back really fast, and they always grow back to like how they were before. I've never noticed like them being permanently damaged at all. This kind of speeds up the process of them growing back. So I would say within like 2 weeks of me taking my lash extensions off, my lashes are like pretty much back to normal. So I just put a little bit of this on my lashes, and it just helps them grow back a lot faster. Also just gonna take one of these. I posted about these on Instagram, but they're by Soji Health. They're basically a CBD gummy that also has biotin and collagen. As we all know, biotin and collagen are really good for your skin, hair, and nails. And then I like to take one at night when I'm just like at home, just chilling for the night, because the CBD just kind of helps like reduce any stress or anxiety, and it just really like chills me out. So I like to take one of these at night when I'm just at home relaxing. It's a little bit later now. I just finished watching an episode of the show Couples Therapy. My best friend Madison literally just told me to watch this yesterday, and I'm already on episode 5. It goes by really quickly. It's like 30-minute episodes. It's literally just a show where there's like a bunch of different couples and they're just like sitting talking to a therapist. Like you're just watching their couples therapy, and it's really interesting. It's on the Showtime app, which I didn't have before, but you get like a 7-day free trial, and there's only 9 episodes on there right now, so I'm just gonna try to watch the whole series within that free trial. But I think I'm gonna go grab some dessert. I have dessert every single night. I literally can't go to sleep without having like a little something sweet before bed. I wish I wasn't like that, but I like need my dessert. I've been getting this from Trader Joe's. I think I showed this in like a little grocery haul in a vlog recently. I've tried like the other fruit flavored mochis, like the mango one, and I like them, but when it comes to ice cream, I'm like much more of a chocolate person than like a fruity person. So I was really excited when I saw these, and they are so good. They're just like peanut butter ice cream on the inside, and then the outside is like chocolate, and oh my god, they're so good. I've been like addicted to these.
My siblings, we all agree that we're still waiting for her to take us to the pool before we got here there. I mean, she's never wants to do something accomplished like any like or whatever this thing like never had to pack up a bag and go to the pool. There's nothing that ever, and you know, maybe that's unfair. You know, the truth is she doesn't want kids. She's
Careful. Yes.
I love you, and also I'm going with you. And that was like 3 or 4 weeks after we met.
It is a little bit later now. It's almost 10 o'clock. I have just been watching couples therapy and chilling on the couch, but I think it's time for me to head to bed now. So I just wanted to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this chill vlog style night / self-care routine. Like I said, Vlogmas is coming up, so make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of those videos. I'm so excited. I hope you guys are excited as well. Yeah, so thanks again so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.